Hello and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2023 Toyota Corolla LE Hybrid in the color black. Let's take a look. So starting up front, underneath the hood we have the hybrid 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, gets up to 134 horsepower and 156 pound-foot of torque. Up front is where you have your daytime running lights and headlamps, your LEDs. Of course, as you move along to the side, you have the alloy wheels, and then you'll find that your side mirrors have blind spot monitoring. As you move back on your rear doors, you do have the all-wheel drive, the AWD badging, and as you approach the back here, you have your LE Hybrid trim level badges. Underneath the rear logo is where your backup camera is located, and to release the trunk, reach under the logo. Next to the camera, you'll find a little button. Give that a press, should pop right open for you. In the back here, you see that we have the carpeted Corolla mats in their factory packaging, brand new, completely unused. Your second row seating also has a 60-40 split on the left-hand side right here. This way you can lay your seats down to extend your cargo space forward into the cab, or you can leave them up for your rear passengers. Good amount of storage in the back here, including some insets on either side. And if you're looking for your tire inflation kit, simply look down, locate this little notch in the false floor, lift up, and then your whole kit is located right underneath. To close up your trunk here, simply reach up and bring it down by hand to lock it back into place. Next, let's take a look at the interior. So, looking inside here, you'll find that your internal upholstery is the black cloth. On your front seats, you do have a bit more of a quilted texture going on and some of that white contrast stitching. Your rear passengers do have access to a folding down armrest / cup holder. Easily folds away to increase your seating space. Back of the console is where you will find some charger spaces, and we currently have the Corolla branded rubber mats all throughout the unit. Good amount of storage inside your rear doors there. Then moving forward, take a look at your handle. You'll notice these two double lines right here indicating keyless entry. That way, if you have the fob on your person, you can just tap your hand here to lock and unlock. Inside the driver's door compartment, we have the power windows for front and back. We have your child safety lock, power lock system, and side mirror controls. Front seats are manually adjustable. Controls are on the outside of the seats and the bar under the knees to scoot it back and forth. You have your hood, or your trunk release rather, on the left-hand side of the floor, and then your hood release latch on the bottom left-hand side of the dash. Above that, you have the controls for your dash brightness. You have your automatic headlamps, your heated leather steering wheel, defog for the rear windshield, and your gas release. Hop in here and take a look at the steering wheel controls. Left-hand side here, controls for the dash display, hands-free communication and volume control. Right-hand side, you have your radio controls on the bottom and adaptive cruise control up top, including sonar and lane departure. In the middle here is your infotainment display screen. This is where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, including built-in view of your hybrid charging system, optional navigation, and all of the audio listening, which of course has AM, FM, and satellite radio. It also comes with full Bluetooth connectivity for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and an optional USB adapter. On the bottom left is your volume control. In the middle is your four-ways. Underneath is your climate control center. You have your defrost for front and rear windshield, as well as your side mirrors, and the option for an Eco Heat Cool. To the left is your push-start ignition. Underneath you have a nice little built-in storage cubby in the back, as well as your high-low on-off controls for your two front heated seats. Just in front of your gear shift is where you have your drive mode, your traction control, and EV mode. Looking back from there, you have cup holders. Next to those is your parking brakes. In the console is where you have your chargers, and then up overhead is where you have your SOS button, as well as your overhead lighting controls. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2023 Toyota Corolla LE Hybrid in the color black. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.